ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दो रिजल्ट मैंने लिखे यहाँ पे। ओके, ये ज्यादा करके रिजल्ट के हिसाब से ही आपको याद रखना है। दिस विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू यू व्हेन यू कम अक्रॉस एमसीक्यूज। ओके, और इसका जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, प्रूफ जो है बहुत आसान है, वेरी इजी टू डू इट योरसेल्फ एज वेल। ओके, कोलिनियरिटी ऑफ 3 पॉइंट्स। कोलिनियरिटी ऑफ 3 पॉइंट्स मतलब अपने पास 3 पॉइंट है ऑन अ लाइन। सो ए बार, बी बार एंड सी बार। ये रहा, ये हो गया आपका 3 कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स। ओके, 3 distinct points ABC with position vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are collinear if and only if, अच्छा, if and only if बोला, इसका मतलब ही तुम लोग को समझना चाहिए। ऐसे अपन ने पहले भी बात किया था, you will have to first assume this and then prove this, then you will have to assume this and prove that the points are collinear. Okay, so first let us take, okay, part 1. Let us take these 3 points as collinear. These 3 points as collinear. If the 3 points are collinear, can I say the 2 vectors? Achha, there are 2 ways this can be done. Now hold. 2 vectors created. AB bar, एक वेक्टर हो गया, एंड BC बार और एक वेक्टर हो गया। ओके, BC बार another vector, 2 vectors created. Okay, the 2 vectors are themselves collinear vectors. Okay, 2 vector create किया मैंने, 3 पॉइंट दिए थे, they were on the same line, उनमें से मैंने 2 वेक्टर क्रिएट किया। 2 वेक्टर क्रिएट किया, मैंने बोला 2 वेक्टर भी कोलिनियर ही है। Okay, and if the 2 vectors are collinear, then can I say that one of them must be a scalar multiple of the other? One of them must be a scalar multiple of the other. Therefore, AB bar is equal to lambda BC bar. Therefore, B bar minus A bar is lambda times C bar minus B bar. So this will be lambda C bar minus lambda B bar. Therefore, can I get everything on one side all and write this as minus A bar plus lambda plus 1 B bar minus lambda C bar equal to 0. इक्वल टू 0 बार। वेक्टर है, 0 बार होना चाहिए, 0 नहीं हो सकता। सो माइनस ए बार प्लस लैम्डा प्लस 1 बी बार माइनस लैम्डा सी बार इज 0 बार। ओके, दैट मींस नाउ दिस इज लाइक एक्स ए बार, वाई बी बार एंड जेड सी बार, वेयर व्हाट इज एक्स इज -1, वाई इज लैम्डा प्लस 1, जेड इज माइनस लैम्डा। Do you all understand that you have a relation like this, and x plus z is equal to 0? So we prove that. Okay, 3 points are collinear. We prove that x a bar plus y b bar plus z c bar equal to 0 bar. Kind of a relation will definitely exist where x plus y plus z is 0. X plus y plus z is 0. ठीक है, ये हो गया अपना part 1, where we assume that the points are collinear and gone on to show that that kind of a relation exists. अच्छा, ये पार्ट 1 में ही अच्छा, if 3 points are collinear, can I do section formula also? Can I say section formula is applicable? Can I assume that the betweenness is like this, A, B, C, without any loss of generality? Okay, we can assume that the 3 points are like this, they are collinear points. And can I now assume, let B divide AC internally in the ratio m is to n भी लिख सकते हैं आप, या any m is to n ratio can always be written as lambda is to 1. Let B divide AC internally in the ratio lambda is to 1. So can I now say all therefore B bar is equal to, okay, B bar is equal to, how do we apply the formula? This is lambda is to 1, so lambda C bar plus A bar upon lambda plus 1. Isn't it going to give me lambda plus 1 B bar is equal to lambda C bar plus A bar, and therefore minus A bar plus lambda plus 1 B bar minus lambda C bar equal to 0 bar. आ गया? Same kind of relation, same relation आ गया, and we got the same result. ठीक है? तो ये एक part हो गया. What is this part? When we assume that the points are collinear and such a relation exists. अब क्या करना है हमें? अब हमें एग्जैक्ट उल्टा करना है. ओके, एग्जैक्ट उल्टा करना है. ओके, which means what? Part 2. चलो, part 2. Now in part 2 overall, I am doing it only one way. Okay. Say for example, I am writing xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is 0 bar, where x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Okay, so can I say minus z is x plus y? Minus z is x plus y. Now, इधर is it okay if I write xa bar plus yb bar equal to minus zc bar? Minus zc bar. Therefore, xa bar plus yb bar upon minus z is c bar. Okay? Okay? Of course, here we are assuming that none of them is equal to 0, huh? Okay? So that you can, none of them must be 0, right? Which will be the case all the time. So, upon, because it is distinct point, no girl, so it will not be equal to 0. So, minus z से divide कर सकते हैं हम लोग, but minus z is x plus y. Therefore, c bar is equal to xa bar plus yb bar upon x plus y. Upon x plus y. Which implies c divides AB internally in the ratio. Internally in the ratio. हाँ बोलो. Ratio क्या होगा? Ratio y is to x. Okay. In the ratio y is to x. It is mb bar plus na bar. हमेशा याद रखना. When you write like this, C divides AB लिखा ना. Second point का coefficient you write first here. Second point का coefficient you write first here. अगर आप वापस वो statement पढ़ोगे, P divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n, AB m is to n, and the formula is mb bar plus na bar. So AB लिखा तो B का coefficient आपको पहले लिखना है. AB लिखा, B का coefficient पहले, B का coefficient is this. अच्छा, if C divides AB internally in the ratio, that means ABC have to be collinear or no? Everyone. It goes without saying that the points have to be 100% collinear. This concludes this statement. Now, everyone, again, last page जाके ये दोनों लिखो, collinearity of 3 points, coplanarity of 3 points. Okay, ये दोनों statement लिख दो, once and for all लिख दो. And now you come back to the regular page and ये लिखने के बाद आपको फिगर ड्रॉ करना है. पार्ट 1 फिगर ड्रॉ करना है. Collinearity in terms of scalar multiple, you all know that, na? If two vectors are collinear, one of them will be a scalar multiple of the other. So scalar multiple of the other, assume here and proceed. We got this relation. Or section formula करके किया है. Again we got this relation. आपके पास चॉइस है. आपको जैसे करना है करो. ओके, एंड पार्ट 2 में क्या उल्टा करना है. दैट मींस ये इधर से शुरू करके ये कंक्लूड दैट द पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर. So वो किया, we started off with this relation x plus y plus z is 0, so x plus y is minus z. X plus y minus z I made use of here and got to this relation, which is section formula. Section formula means the points have to be along the same line. So cool. And hence the relation. तो आप लोग क्या करो, लास्ट पेज में जाके लिखो एंड देन नॉर्मल पेज पे ये लिख के प्लीज नोट दिस डाउन क्विकली. And on similar lines we will be doing the second part as well. Okay, चलो जल्दी से. ठीक है, alright, let me talk about the second one as well. Second one में coplanarity of co-points, coplanarity of co-points, part 1. चलो part 1. Okay, part 1 में क्या, we'll assume that the co-points are coplanar. मतलब एक प्लेन है, प्लेन में अपना 4 पॉइंट्स है A, B, C and let's say D, ऐसा 4 पॉइंट. ओके, अच्छा 4 पॉइंट्स coplanar है. Coplanar point means point that is in the same plane, huh? So that's why I've drawn one plane and shown you the co-points are in that plane. Now, can I form 3 vectors also? 1, 2, 3. 3 vectors have been created. 3 vectors, if the 4 points are coplanar, always the 3 vectors have to be coplanar. Okay, now the 3 vectors are coplanar. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? I understand if the 3 vectors are coplanar, therefore one of them must be a linear combination of the other two. Linear combination of the other two. One of them must be a linear combination of the other. ये तुम लोग को ये ध्यान में है कि नहीं अभी भी? Okay, that one of them has to be a linear combination of the other two vectors. So one of them linear combination of the other two लिखा मैंने. Can I now simplify? Simplify करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? Therefore, d bar minus a bar is equal to lambda b bar minus a bar plus mu c bar minus a bar. ये हो गया. Can I write this as lambda b bar plus mu c bar and minus lambda plus mu a bar? And can I therefore write this as lambda plus mu minus 1 a bar? It's a scalar multiplied to a bar minus lambda b bar minus mu c bar plus d bar equal to 0 bar. तो ये बनेगा मेरा x, ये बनेगा मेरा y, ये z और प्लस 1 d bar, that's w. I understand x plus y plus z plus w is 0 as well. So we've got a relation x a bar plus y b bar plus z b bar plus lambda d bar plus w d bar is 0 bar, where x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 0. ठीक है, so ये पहला पार्ट हो गया. Now the reverse part. Okay, now the reverse part, part 2 में क्या करना है? Part 2 में we have to assume this and we have to get to the point being coplanar. Okay, so shall I say x a bar plus y b bar plus z c bar plus w d bar is 0 bar. Okay, therefore x a bar plus y b bar is negative of z c bar plus w d bar. ऐसे होगा. वो दोनों को मैंने उस तरफ भेज दिया है. ओके, x plus y plus z plus w is 0. So can I say x plus y is minus of z plus w? Minus of z plus w. Okay. Achha, can I divide both sides by x plus y? So xa bar plus yb bar upon x plus y must be minus of zc bar plus wd bar upon minus z plus w because x plus y is the same as minus z plus w. So I understand this point is equal to this point. Now exactly what is this point over? This is, please understand everyone, इसके ऊपर हम लोग टर्म्स भी करेंगे आगे, तो आपको अब भी समझ में आ गया तो परफेक्ट क्लियर है क्या? ओके, दिस इज पॉइंट ऑन ए. This is point on, in fact, position vector of a point on A. Okay, that will be even better. The position vector of a point, no, mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n is the position vector of that point. So xa bar plus ib bar upon x plus y is the position vector of the point on AB. पक्का? And similarly, ये minus minus गया, so this is position vector of a point on C. Dividing AB in some ratio, dividing DB in some ratio. But all of y'all, these two, can you all understand, are equal? That means ये point और ये point एक ही point है. If the 2 points are the same, that means the 2 lines have intersected. AB and CD intersect. AB and CD intersect. And 2 intersecting lines have to be in the same plane. All of you. Okay. दो lines अगर intersect हो रहे हैं, so they have to be in the same plane. They have to be in one plane. They can't be in 2 different planes. That means all points on the first line and all points on the second line are coplanar. Therefore, A, B, C, D have to be coplanar. Hence the theorem. Hence that. Everyone is clear about this as well? Okay. Clarity about this also done? Go ahead. Please note this down.